The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation, multirole combat aircraft designed to operate at the center of modern air warfare. Conceived in an era defined by advanced air defenses, networked battlefields, and information dominance, the F-35 was not built simply to fly faster or higher than its predecessors. It was created to see more, share more, and survive longer in the most contested environments on Earth. Its development was driven by a clear requirement to replace a wide range of aging fighter and attack aircraft with a single family of stealth aircraft capable of air superiority, precision strike, intelligence gathering, and close air support in modern warfare, where detection often means destruction. The F-35 represents a shift from platform-centric combat to system-centric warfare. 2. Origin and development history. The F-35 originates from the United States and was developed under the Joint Strike Fighter JSF program. Formally launched in 1996, Lockheed Martin was selected as the prime contractor in 2001, competing against Boeing's X-32. The first F-35A flew in December 2006. The program was designed to replace multiple aircraft types, including the F-16 Fighting Falcon, a 10 Thunderbolt II, Aviation Harrier II, and legacy F-A-18 variants across U.S. and Allied fleets. Unlike traditional fighter programs, the F-35 was developed from the outset as a multinational effort, with partner nations contributing funding, industrial participation, and operational input. 3. Design philosophy and airframe. The F-35's design philosophy prioritizes low observability, sensor integration, and mission flexibility over raw aerodynamic performance. The airframe uses blended fuselage, shaping, internal weapon bays, and edge alignment to reduce radar cross-section. Its structure combines advanced aluminum alloys, titanium, and a high percentage of composite materials. Radar-absorbing materials and coatings are integral to the aircraft, rather than applied as an afterthought. Visually, the F-35 is defined by its angular fuselage, diverterless supersonic inlets, and canted vertical tails. Technically, it is distinguished by its ability to perform multiple roles while maintaining stealth, something previous generation aircraft could not achieve simultaneously. For engine and propulsion system, all F-35 variants are powered by the Pratt & Whitney F-135 afterburning turbofan, the most powerful fighter engine currently in service. The engine produces approximately 28,000 pounds of thrust dry and up to 43,000 pounds with afterburner. This power enables supersonic flight, heavy payload capability, and strong acceleration. In the F-35B variant, the engine is paired with a shaft-driven lift fan system developed with Rolls-Royce, enabling short takeoff and vertical landing operations. The propulsion system directly supports the aircraft's multirole mission profile, rather than extreme dogfighting performance. 5. Speed and flight performance. The F-35 has a maximum speed of approximately Mach 1.6, or about 1,000 to 100 miles per hour, 1,930 kilometers per hour. Depending on variant and configuration, its service ceiling is around 50,000 feet. The rate of climb is estimated at over 45,000 feet per minute. While not designed as a pure air superiority dogfighter, the F-35's flight control system provides high agility, especially at combat-relevant speeds and altitudes. The aircraft's performance emphasizes sustained maneuvering, energy management, and situational awareness rather than close-range turning combat. 6. Range, endurance, and fuel. One of the F-35's key advantages is its internal fuel capacity. The F-35A carries approximately 18,000 to 150 pounds of internal fuel, significantly more than many fourth-generation fighters. Combat radius varies by variant, approximately 670 nautical miles for the F-35A, around 505 nautical miles for the F-35B, and about 615 nautical miles for the F-35C. Ferry range exceeds 200 nautical miles. All variants are capable of aerial refueling. External fuel tanks can be carried, but doing so reduces stealth and is typically reserved for permissive environments. 7. Fuel consumption and operating cost. Exact fuel burn rates are not publicly disclosed, but the F-35 consumes significantly more fuel per flight hour than older single-engine fighters, due to its size, engine power, and mission systems. The cost per flight hour has been publicly estimated at approximately $33,000 to $36,000 for the F-35A, with higher costs for the B and C variants. Operating expenses are driven by complex maintenance requirements, advanced coatings, software support, and a global logistics system designed to sustain stealth performance. Avionics and sensor systems. The F-35's core strength lies in its avionics. It is equipped with an APG-81 active electronically scan array radar, providing long-range detection, tracking, and electronic attack capabilities. The aircraft integrates data from radar, infrared sensors, electronic warfare systems, and off-board sources into a single fused picture displayed to the pilot. The distributed aperture system provides spherical infrared coverage, while the electro-optical targeting system supports precision targeting. This sensor fusion significantly reduces pilot workload and enables faster, more informed decision-making. 9. Weapons and payload internally. The F-35 can carry air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-120, AMRAAM and AIM-9X, and air-to-ground weapons including JDAM and small-diameter bombs. Maximum internal payload is approximately 5,700 pounds, with external pylons. Total payload can exceed 18,000 pounds, comparable to legacy fighters. The internal carriage preserves stealth, while external stations allow flexibility when low observability is not required. 10. Stealth and survivability. Stealth on the F-35 is achieved through shaping, materials, and careful management of heat and emissions. Its radar cross-section is significantly lower than fourth-generation fighters, though exact values are classified. Survivability is enhanced by electronic warfare systems, threat detection, and the ability to engage targets before being detected. However, stealth effectiveness depends on mission profile, maintenance quality, and evolving sensor technologies. Stealth reduces risk but does not make the aircraft invisible. 11. Real-world service and combat use. The F-35 is operated by the United States and numerous allied nations across Europe, the Middle East, and the Asia-Pacific region. It has conducted combat operations, including strikes in the Middle East, and has been extensively used in NATO and allied exercises. Military evaluations consistently highlight its situational awareness and information sharing advantages. Pilots report that the aircraft changes how missions are planned and executed, emphasizing coordination rather than individual platform performance. 12. Cost, production, and global impact. The F-35A flyaway cost has decreased to approximately $80 million, while the B and C variants remain higher. Total program costs are among the largest in military aviation history due to scale and longevity. Over 1,000 aircraft have been produced, with production continuing. Export is restricted to approved partner and customer nations. The F-35 has reshaped allied air forces and influenced how future fighters are designed worldwide. 13. Strengths and weaknesses. The F-35 excels in sensor fusion, stealth, and multirole flexibility. Its limitations include high operating costs, reliance on complex logistics, and performance trade-offs compared to specialized fighters. Criticism has focused on sustainment challenges and early development delays. These reflect the difficulty of integrating advanced technologies into a single platform. No combat aircraft is without compromise. 14. Final verdict: the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II represents a fundamental shift in combat aviation. It is not defined by speed or dogfighting alone, but by information dominance and survivability in contested airspace. As air warfare continues to evolve, the F-35 stands as a defining aircraft of the early 21st century, one that reflects the realities of modern combat and the future direction of military aviation.